Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about something just really short, and that is why I truly hate landscapers. Now, I don't hate them for the reason that you may think. It is not a presidential thing or anything like that. I'm not that guy. Why I hate landscapers is when they get on the highways. Landscapers never tie down anything in the back of their trucks. They haul these trailers around with all this trash and debris and yard clippings and whatever, and then when you least expect it, when you mind your own business on your bike having a good time, bam, you get hit by a piece of trash that they've decided that they just don't care to tie down. A box, so yeah, I have to get up and check my fairing to make sure there's no holes in it, and yeah, it got scratched, but what can you do about it? There's no license plates on the back of the trailers, and you can't even look and or see the license plates on the back of the truck because it's covered by a giant trailer. So they get out here and they do all this damage to people's vehicles on the highway, and they don't seem to care. So what I can tell you as much is, I hate landscapers when they're on the freeway. You have to be careful. Even though I was falling a pretty good distance behind this gentleman, there's really no way to react to the debris falling off his truck, which reminds me of one other thing outside of hating landscapers on the highway. Be careful on the highways. People like this knucklehead here, they don't really care about you or anything else, and you have to be wary of how far you are behind someone, how close you're behind them. If they're towing something, you have to also make sure for yourself, because they won't do it themselves, is that their load has been properly tied down, and watch to see if something's going to come flying off the back of the truck and either take your head off or damage your bike. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is just a short video about the things, well, one of the things that I really hate about riding a motorcycle, and that's landscapers on the highway. Enjoy your day. Please be safe out there. And remember, if you're going to speed, do your best to keep it under 100. But if you cannot keep it under 100, remember, it is your ticket, and you're going to have to pay it. So have a great day.